Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, listen carefully. He said, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wants to give a person a place in Jannah, in paradise, that he's not qualified for. When Allah wants to give you a place in Jannah that your good deeds will never take you there, Allah helps this person arrive to that station by testing him or her in their body, or in their wealth, or in their children. Then Allah Almighty inspires them to be patient, and therefore Allah qualifies them for this high place in Jannah that their good deeds would never have taken them. The fact that you are experiencing a pain, or we as an ummah are experiencing immense turmoil, is certainly not a sign that Allah Almighty hates us. Rather, it's the opposite. It's the sign that Allah is nurturing us, caring us, propelling us, supporting us, aiding us, forging us in ways that we cannot imagine.